Welcome back to our channel dedicated to helping you successfully navigate through your dissertation journey. In today's video, we will be discussing how to structure Chapter 4 of your dissertation, which focuses on presenting and discussing your research results. Chapter 4 is a critical section where you showcase the findings of your study and provide an in-depth analysis of the data you have collected. So let's dive into the key steps to structure a strong Chapter 4. Step 1. Introduction to Chapter 4. Begin by introducing Chapter 4 and providing a brief overview of what readers can expect. Explain that this chapter will present the results of your research and provide an analysis and interpretation of those results. Emphasize the importance of these findings in addressing your research questions or objectives. Step 2. Data presentation. The next step is to present your research findings in a clear and organized manner. This can be done through tables, figures, graphs, or any other appropriate visual representation. Ensure that your data presentation aligns with the research questions or objectives of your study. Provide sufficient context and labels for each visual element so that readers can easily understand the information being presented. Step 3. Data analysis and interpretation. After presenting your data, it's time to analyze and interpret the results. Start by describing the analytical techniques you use to analyze the data, whether it's statistical tests, thematic analysis, or other relevant methods. Present the findings in a logical and systematic manner, addressing each research question or objective separately. Discuss the meaning and implications of the results, drawing connections to the existing literature or theories. Step 4. Discussion of findings. In this step, you need to critically analyze and discuss your findings. Interpret the results in the context of your research questions, objectives, and the theoretical framework of your study. Identify patterns, trends, or relationships that emerge from the data. Compare your findings with previous research, highlighting similarities, differences, or contradictions. Address any unexpected or contradictory results and provide possible explanations or limitations. Step 5. Conclusion and significance. Conclude Chapter 4 by summarizing the main findings and their significance. Revisit your research questions or objectives and discuss how your findings contribute to the existing knowledge in your field. Emphasize the practical or theoretical implications of your results. If there are any limitations or areas for further research, mention them in this section as well. By following these key steps, you can effectively structure Chapter 4 of your dissertation. Introduce the chapter, present your data, analyze and interpret the results, discuss the findings in the context of existing literature, and conclude with the significance of your research. This chapter serves as a vital bridge between your research and its implications. Stay tuned for our next video to learn how to finish your dissertation in 6 months or less.